What are you looking at?
Yeah, we have here some mistakes.
Okay, we have to correct them.
Yeah.
Tell us. What?
I have something.
Something. What?
Something.
Oh, you found it!
Oh, just look at their faces. They were right.
How I wish we were there again.
Am I the only one who still gets lost into these memories? Come on, girls, stop being drama queens, please. We have a class to attend. Come on, move.
I couldn't really process what was happening around me. Me, who always had been the craziest of the team, now I was staring at this emotional ceremony. Silence was everywhere, and I felt really impacted because of the calm and the peace. I realized that rushing didn't give me more experiences, and that I needed to seize the day and enjoy every moment in a more peaceful and relaxed way. It was a great contradiction that made the whole scene look beautifully sad. I can perfectly remember what I thought in that very moment. Death is the sound a life makes when breaks away. It can be barely noticed normally, with the world still spinning. Here, the world seems to slow down. We have been able to listen to it, to even see it. It should be shocking at least. But when you understand death as they do, as a deep bond, as a restart to forgive and forget your sins, you catch the spiritualism, the peace that is being built.
The table was full of dishes, colors, textures, flavors, and smells. I was strangely surprised because I refused many times going to this kind of restaurants, and now it seemed to be really tasty. I dabbed it with the 3 sauces. One of them was pink. Was it made of beet? I hated beet. Definitely I wasn't going to take that sauce. On the other hand, fried vegetables were delicious, and rice looked gorgeous too. I saw Alicia was taking that pink sauce. Alicia's always risking. She doesn't mind if she would like it or not. Then, I decided it was time to give it a chance. And I did it. Whoa! That applesauce was exquisite. Since that moment, I experienced a strong change in my mind. I needed to be more open towards new things and don't refusing them just because they were new. In that precisely moment, the paradise of Indian food had just arrived to me.
The market was there, open, wonderful but fearful. I had read tons of articles and recommendations for being safe in India, and one of them said how unsafe markets could be as they were popular because of robberies. But I walked into it. A voice inside me was shouting a big, "Just move!" And for the first time in my life, I took its advice. The heady scent of that market made me forget all that and let myself be carried away by that exotic world. Species, smells, colors, fragrances, sounds. The emotions were skin deep. You could feel the flavor of India in just one breath.
We were walking in the street and we were listening to a very soft music. We wondered where the music was coming from. When we turned the corner, we found that there were some people celebrating a wedding. Music, food, smell were in the air. The music was increasing as we were getting closer. The exotic music surrounded us, and we felt the necessity to dance. I forgot about all my plans. I had many of them for that day, but I felt the impulse of dancing and I danced almost all the day. Just in that moment, I learned that the best plans are not even planned.
Hello guys!
Hi.
We are organizing the final grade trip. We are thinking about some Asian country with a lot of contrast that really turn our senses upside down. So, do you have any recommendations or would you like to join us?